Ya luego me encuentro la otra.
ولی بالاش بیوش خوشگل‌تر بالاش واسه عکس گرفتن بهتره پایینش واسه
I'm Anne. I'm from Dubai. I just arrived today this morning, and then my sister and I decided to come here and check the cherry blossom because Mom said that it's gonna end, I think, May 13th, Mom, right?
So where is here?
Come again?
Where is here?
Where is it? Here in High Park.
Where?
For the cherry blossom. In Canada.
Okay.
In Toronto.
Yeah, and it's for Happy Mother's Day to our moms.
Oh, so you're treating your mom?
Yes.
Who is your mom?
He's their mom.
Oh, what can you say about the cherry blossom?
It's so, it's so pretty and beautiful, and it's nice to come yearly. This is our second year of visiting, seeing the beauty of the cherry blossom with my children, especially today. It's my Yulad, my eldest daughter. She's here to celebrate Mother's Day. It's so, the feeling is, I cannot describe the feeling. I'm so happy that she comes to visit me here.
So all these three are your daughters?
Yeah. I have 5 daughters.
Okay.
They're all beautiful like mommy.
Really? Are they all single?
Yeah, they're all single. And me too, I'm single.
Okay. So are you impressed with the cherry blossoms?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, it's nice. And I like the weather.
Okay.
It's hot where I came from, Dubai, so I like this type of weather.
Okay. So where are you from in the Philippines?
I'm from Zamboanga City. We are
Mindanao.
Chabacanos.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
southern part of the Philippines.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.